Hi y'all, hope y'all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel for those returning, and for those new, welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to record this moment because I have an item that I thought I would never purchase. Y'all have heard me say before that I don't like the bags that have the straps that are kind of wobbly. Okay, so if that doesn't give you a hint, then I don't know. Anyway, okay, so here we go. We'll see how I feel about it. Right now, I am a little anxious, but I think, you know, if I don't like it, then I may maybe gift it to someone who may. I don't know. I don't know yet. I don't know. I just don't know, y'all. I just keep saying I don't know. We'll see. Woo. Alright. Alright. I'm not going to show you guys my invoice. Okay, everybody and their mother and daughters and aunts and whatever already have this purse. Y'all probably know what it is. It's the infamous zip satchel, y'all. I can't even speak. Zip satchel. In the color bubblegum pink. Let me move this real quick. Okay, so here it is in all its glory. Alright, I'm trying to get a better angle. Okay, so here she is. And y'all know I can't wait for unboxings. I was sitting at my desk staring at this box for a couple of hours because the UPS guy came at 3 o'clock, and of course I was sitting here for 2 hours looking at it. But anyhow, so far so good. Everything looks great. She actually has a beautiful pink. I was really hesitant because I thought maybe she might be too bright for me, but oh my goodness, it matches my nail polish so well. I mean, ooh, I'm excited. Okay, enough talking, and let me get into this bag. And since I normally carry my satchels by handle anyway, like top handle, I figured I'll be okay. But when I got the Sydney satchel from Fossil, y'all, and the fact that it goes all the way down to the end, that's another bag that I really, you know, I never thought I'd get into because everybody has a Sydney. I don't know. I fell in love with the Sydney, and all of a sudden I'm just like, oh, well, I've been considering the zip, so let me, you know, check it out. But she's looking good so far. This is what she looks like on the inside. So I got this bag from I Love Dooney, and I've got my dust cover. Yeah, she's looking good. Here's the strap that I was referring to. So yeah, evidently this strap can only go shoulder strap, not crossbody. And she's got the red interior lining, and on the other side she's got the 2 slits, just like standard Dooney and Bourke. So I don't know, y'all. I think she might be a keeper. Let me try something real quick. Okay, here's the ultimate test. So I have my Drummond from Chic Sparrow. Gotta remember to take the pen out. I don't want to ruin my purse. Okay, let me take out the papers in here. Okay, here is the test. Oh yes, oh my goodness. This has even more room than I thought. Beautiful. I think she's a keeper. Yeah, especially with Drummond fitting in there from the Chic Sparrow. Yeah, she's definitely a keeper. If she can hold my planner books, the biggest one, oh my goodness, yes. La, la, la. That's it. Yeah, I'm keeping her. And she's got feet. I'm going to do a more thorough review, y'all. You know, I don't like doing unboxings because I cannot wait. I'm so excited to just use my bags. I mean, a total of like the 30 some odd videos that I have on my channel, I have like maybe 3 unboxings for my bags, because most especially my bags. You guys have seen a lot of like planner unboxings, but with my purses, I just want to open it up, start using it. I want to like just put my stuff inside and start using it. That's how I am. Okay, you guys, I'm going to leave it here because this video is going to be long and I don't want it to be long. Oh, I guess I should undo this for y'all. I almost forgot about that. Hold on. Okay, the handles look good. And it is a brand new bag, as you can tell, because the handles are covered. That's how it's supposed to be wrapped. Oh, she is beautiful. She is beautiful, y'all. Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay, yeah, she is definitely a keeper. Yep. Alright, y'all, for real this time. I'm going to do a more thorough review. So, I hope y'all enjoy this unboxing for my first zip satchel that I said I would never... Well, I didn't say I would never get, but I said it just wasn't my thing. So, yep, I have her now. And she is staying, and I am so happy. I know I always say that. And she zips like this. Yep. Yeah, I'm super excited, y'all. Okay, well, thanks for joining me in this momentous occasion, and I hope y'all are doing well. Don't forget to like, sub, and comment, y'all. Take care. Bye.